Hello and welcome to Ufundi na Ajira. My name is Murigi, an industrial specialist who has been working in the engineering world for the last 15 years. So we are running a series here at Ufundi na Ajira about engineers. 5 or 10 years into being an engineer, what have you become? So please come and enjoy the whole series packaged and put together so that we can demystify those who have become engineers. Let's go to Makerere University.
So this was in 2010.
2010.
So 2010 I joined.
This time you have done close to 6 years in the manufacturing world.
I did my thing in the university. It was not easy.
I can imagine.
It was not easy.
How long was your course?
It was around 4 years.
It was 4 years. So you walked out of the university gate with what?
That was a second upper
degree.
Bachelor of Science.
Bachelor of Science.
Yes. In electrical engineering.
In electrical engineering.
Yes. So thereafter, the journey was actually fantastic because now at that particular time, I was now able to advance in terms of now the manufacturing. So I'm in compliance. For you to be in compliance, you must be certified to audit. You must be certified to be in a position to carry out inspection.
Yes.
You must be certified to be able to conduct businesses, because when the audits are coming in and you're an auditee, the first requirement would be, are you certified?
Are you certified to do this? Yes. Very well. So did you get this?
So of course now having now finished the degree, it was easier now to enroll, because the minimum requirement for those certifications
is a degree. So you now pick up, what did you enroll for?
So now,
how do you get certification to become an auditor in the manufacturing world?
So now what happened was, when I was in Unilever, I got the opportunity to be now trained. Those particular times I was doing facilitation.
Yes.
I got a lot of trainings by the organization to now excel. And of course it's an expensive system to acquire.
Yes.
So it's advantageous to have someone who understands them and implement it. So once you implement that, it actually supersedes the ISOs. I work for
Movit.
Yeah.
Yes, Movit.
Yes,
the one that does cosmetics.
Yes. So I went there as an expatriate.
Yes.
So I started as actually a process engineer.
Then
moved into head of manufacturing.
Wow.
And later on, after that, I moved to East African Roofing. As now a consultant.
As a consultant. A consultant in the manufacturing system.
Yes. Now aspect of now, you see I'm certified to audit.
Yes.
I'm certified with lean manufacturing systems.
Yes.
I'm certified to inspect, and I'm certified by META to conduct industrial training.
Yes. Wow.
It makes you bring out your science into reality. And the science now offers solutions that are beneficial to everyone. Society, community, economy. And actually what you're looking into right now is if the consultancy works well, we are able to be self-sufficient and self-reliant. You don't have to go out there and now have to bring in skill. Nothing. Because now Africa is very big. We can be fully self-sufficient. We need to start manufacturing these vehicles.
Yes.
We don't have to go, because the only aspect that we looking into is exposure. Now we have internet and everything. It's now a global village. You're able to see what happens in Tesla.
Yes.
As an engineer, get down into your sciences. See if you can do your own Tesla here.
Yes.
Then you can do it. But don't forget that it slows down them. And at times you don't have the opportunities or the exposure, or no one is offering you the opportunity. Start it, yourself.
Yes.
Now, an example, if when I was a casual, I didn't exhibit those traits of offering to do things for free
Yes.
for people to see.
Offering to do things for free.
Yes.
Very important.
For people to see.
For people to see.
Then no one would understand what I have.
And then we would not be here.
Yeah. Well, you can actually reach me directly.
Yes.
Through my phone contacts that
Yes.
are going to be shared.
Yes.
And through my email address.
Email address we can also share.
I'll get back to you later.
Very well. So there you have it. From really a casual to being an electrical engineer to now a manufacturing expert who is in consultancy. That is the great story of George Murigi. Please check in our description box if you want to consult him on any of those problems perhaps you're having in your manufacturing concern, things that you want even to upgrade your manufacturing standards. All those, he is an expert in it. You will find all this in the description box. Thank you so much, George. We appreciate you. Thank you for taking time to be with us. Thank you for watching. We continue to bring you more stories on engineers.